This tutorial teaches only a small portion of this dance. This is not a tutorial for the full dance.
With your arms by your sides and your wrists bent so that your fingers point out to either side, move your arms out a bit, then back in. Turn your heels out as you begin swinging your arms out to either side and up. Turn your heels back in as you bend your elbows to bring your hands in front of your chest, forming a heart with your fingers while bending your knees a bit. Jump up, bringing both feet up behind you as you move your hands out to either side, fingers spread out and elbows staying bent. When your feet come back down, lower both arms to your sides. While turned slightly to the right, spin your forearms in a counterclockwise circle as you hop in place. Hop on your right foot, kicking forward and to the right with your left foot as you point up and to the right with both hands, right arm extended and left hand near your forehead. Bring your left foot down to meet your right foot as you begin spinning both forearms in a clockwise circle. After spinning them in a full circle, hop on your right foot again as you bend your left knee to bring your foot up behind you and point up and to the left with both hands, left arm extended and right hand near your forehead. Bring your left foot back down and begin spinning both forearms in a counterclockwise circle. Repeat the last 4 counts, but end when your left foot is up behind you again. Keep both index fingers extended for the next 4 counts. Bring your left foot down toward the camera and slightly to the left as you extend your right arm forward and to the left. Cross your left arm over your right arm so that it is extended forward and to the right. Cross your right foot slightly in front of your left foot as you extend your right arm to the right, then extend your left arm to the left. Cross your left foot over your right foot so that you turn to the right, but continue facing the camera as you extend your right arm straight up, then extend your left arm straight out toward the camera. Step back on your right foot as you extend your right arm straight out toward the camera as well, then bring your left foot back to meet your right foot as you bend your knees a bit and bend your elbows to bring your fists near your face. Move your fists in small circles near your face. Stand up to face slightly to the left, bringing your right foot up behind you and bouncing in place on your left foot twice, with your hands up in peace signs on either side of your face. Bring your right foot back down so that you are facing the camera with your feet apart, and turn your torso to the left as you extend your left arm forward and up, and your right arm forward and down. Bend your elbows and knees slightly, then quickly straighten your knees and extend your arms again, switching their positions as you move them to the right a bit. Then do this again, then once more. Swing your arms down in front of you as you quickly step on your left, then right foot. Then swing your arms out to either side as you jump up, bringing both feet up to the left before landing on your right foot. Bring your left foot down and cross your arms in front of your chest as you quickly spin to the left on your left foot until you are facing the camera again. Bring your right foot down over to the right. Continue looking at the camera as you extend both arms over to the left. Lean forward a bit as you move your arms over to the right, then bend your elbows to bring your right forearm up and your left fist under your right elbow as you tilt your head to the right and bring your left knee up to point to the right. Bring your left foot back down over to the left as you extend your arms down with your right arm crossed on top of your left arm. Take a few small steps to bring your feet together as you curl your fingers in while bending your elbows to bring your arms up to cross in front of your chest. Bend your right knee slightly to the left as you swing both arms down, then out to either side and up before bringing your hands behind your head. Hold this position for 4 counts, then straighten your right leg as you turn slightly to the right and bend your left knee to the right. Bring both fists near your shoulders as you bend your knees slightly, then extend your right arm up and to the right and your left arm down and to the left as you bring your left foot up behind you. Bring your left foot back down as you face the camera. With both arms extended out toward the camera, bend your knees slightly as you windmill your arms for 2 counts, then bend your elbows to bring your fists near your shoulders. Jump slightly to move your feet apart as you extend your arms straight out toward the camera, both hands in peace signs, then bend your knees inward as you pull your hands in and tilt your head to the right. Put your left fist on your hip as you curve your right hand up in front of your face, then over to the right. Bring your right hand behind your head as you turn to the right and bring the toes of your left foot down next to your right foot. Shake your head back and forth a couple of times, then tap the toes of your right foot down twice. Extend your thumbs and index fingers and bend your elbows, then turn so that you are facing to the left, leaning forward slightly with your left arm up a bit higher than your right arm. Spread out your fingers and swing both arms back, then up and around in a complete circle, then move them down further so that they are angled back. Quickly step in place a few times, then lean forward further, looking down and keeping your elbows and knees locked. Step over to the left with your left foot so that you are facing the camera and bend your knees inward as you bring your palms together in front of your chest and tilt your head to the left. Turn your left knee to the left, and with both hands making peace signs, slowly move your hands out to either side for 2 counts. Slowly bring your right foot up behind you as you move your arms up for another 2 counts. Bring your right foot down and turn to the right, lowering your left arm and swinging your right arm up in front of you, then down so that it is out to the right and down slightly. While looking to the right, bend your knees as you move both arms up so that they are straight out to either side, then straighten your legs and lower your arms a bit. Do this move 3 more times. Bring your left foot over to meet your right foot as you push both hands out in front of you. Step toward the camera with your left foot as you put your right hand on the right side of your face and push your face so that you are looking at the camera. Bring the side of your left hand up to your forehead as you point down and to the left with your right hand, then swing your right arm up so that you are pointing up and to the right and look in the same direction as you lean to the left a bit. Stand up straight as you bring your left foot back to meet your right foot so that you are facing forward and slightly to the right, and move both hands out in front of you with your fingers spread out. Wave your hands for 3 counts, then hop up, turning to face the camera. After hopping to turn and face the camera, point toward the camera with your right, then left index finger, keeping your elbows bent. Bounce in place as you put your right hand on your left shoulder, then your left hand on your right shoulder. Bounce in place again as you put your right hand, then your left hand behind your head so that your elbows point out to either side. Bounce in place once again as you lean forward and bend your knees slightly, extending both arms down so that your hands are near the opposite knees, left arm crossed over your right arm, and chin raised slightly. Stand back up and put your hands on your hips. Keep looking at the camera as you hop in place 3 times, shimmying your shoulders as you turn to face back to the right, then flap your legs twice. Repeat the first 4 counts of this section, then hop in place 3 times while shimmying your shoulders again, but turn to face back to the left this time before flapping your legs twice. Repeat the previous 16 counts again. Bend your knees and bring your hands down to the sides of your knees. Shimmy your whole body as you slide your hands up your sides for 4 counts, then extend your arms up and slightly out to either side, palms facing up, as you bend your left knee and tilt your head to the right. Hold this pose for 4 counts.